Okay, so today we are going to see how to install this temperature and humidity sensor and how to connect the communication cables to the carrier controller. Okay, so this is a temperature and humidity sensor which is designed to measure the temperature or humidity in duct. So we'll be installing it in this portion. We'll be installing it here. This sensor can withstand high humidity and condensation environment. So the sensor connects directly to the dedicated sensor network of a carrier controller. This communication sensor network, it supports up to 15 of these sensors through a single port. So it eliminates the need to consume multiple inputs on the controller. So we can connect 15 of this type in one port, which is pretty much easy. So for the temperature range is from 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. That is from minus 5 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, and for the humidity range is 10% to 90%. Okay, so when we zoom in, we will be connecting our power supply here, the power, and then the ground. Then we'll connect the RNet minus and then plus cable here, and we have to make sure the network will be on the same port. Okay, this is we are keeping it on 1. Okay, so we need to make sure it is same on the controller so that there can be communication. It can communicate. Okay, so these are our cables. These are our cables. So we'll connect them and then we'll install the sensor on this supply duct. Okay, so the probe will go into the duct. Yeah, then we'll mount it, which is pretty much very easy. Okay guys, so this is our power cable, and this is our ground cable, the negative. Okay, and this is the RNet, the communication cable. This is the plus and then the minus. This is the plus and minus, and here we have our port. So if you see here, the port is on, the port 1 is on. Okay. The port 1 is on and port 248 is off. Okay, so on our controller also, the port 1 will be on so that there will be communication. Okay, so this is pretty much how to connect this cable. Okay guys, so this is our controller and this is the terminal. We have connected our cables. Okay, so this is our ground and this is our RNet plus and RNet minus, and then the supply, that is 120 volts. Okay, so this is where we've connected our cables from the sensor. Okay, so this is pretty much how it is. So we can see from our panel, our display, you can see the temperature being displayed. Okay guys, so this is our display. You can see our supply temperature is 27 degrees Celsius and the humidity is showing 50%. Yeah, so this is pretty much how to install this humidity and temperature sensor, which is very simple. Okay guys, see you in our next video for more.